If you'd like to see how I made these lovely, very affordable birthday gifts with this red glitter, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube! So today in this video, I'm going to be adding some glitter to this little shorty bottle of Crown Royal Vanilla. And I have a wine bottle, Carlo Rossi, of peach sangria. I'm going to be using a sponge brush. I'm going to take alcohol and wipe this off. And I'm going to use Mod Podge glue and red glitter. I'm going to go ahead and get... So the first thing I'm doing here is I'm taking my sponge brush and I'm just gently gliding the Mod Podge across the bottle. I cleaned the bottle off with some alcohol just so everything could be nice and smooth, so that there's no lint, no dust, any debris in the way. Now I'm taking my glitter and I'm just going to put a hefty amount on. That's why I really like these big glitter bottles, because believe it or not, I had this same glitter bottle for at least, I want to say, 3 years or more. So that's the great thing about having this. Now you just want to keep on adding the Mod Podge, and you want to cover all of it up so that you don't have any gaps or spacing. Now I like to keep an extra nice little fluffy brush to knock off any excess glitter. Allow this to dry for about 20 to 25 minutes in front of a fan, and then I'm going to go over. While I allow the first coat to dry on the wine bottle, I'm going to go ahead and get started with this little Crown Royal bottle. Now I'm just adding the Mod Podge, and I'm doing the same thing. I'm adding on the glitter. This glitter looks really pretty on this bottle. Oh, and this is going to be a birthday gift. A good friend of mine, a good childhood friend of mine. Her mom is turning, I don't know how old her mom is turning, but I'm assuming she's late 50s, early 60s. And she's having a birthday, and I asked her what her mom's favorite color is, and she said red. So this is what I decided to make for her mother, and she said her mother's going to be very, very grateful. So this was a very cute thing to make for her. Dry for about 20 to 25 minutes, and I'm going to go over that with the... As I stated in the video, I like to wait at least 20 to 30 minutes to allow the first coat to dry before I go ahead and add on the second coat. So now it has dried. I'm now adding on the second coat of glitter. Now it's definitely preference, because if you don't have a lot of glitter to work with, maybe you can get away with one coat of glitter. I always do two just in case, because I want it to look nice and full. The only other time I can think of that I only use one coat of glitter is if I use a very chunky confetti glitter. Those almost never need a second coat, but it's definitely up to you. And this doesn't take long at all. Also, if you have a limited amount of glitter, paint the bottle red first. That way you can get away if the glitter is a little thin. It won't look so bad if you miss a couple like little spots, but I think 2 coats is definitely the way to go. And this is a fine glitter, not an extra fine, but a fine. Okay, so now I'm adding on the second coat of Mod Podge, and this will be the last coat of glitter that I'm going to add on to the little shorty bottle. Now, if you've never used Mod Podge before and you're wondering why it looks so white and thick, don't worry about that, because it does actually dry clear. Okay, so this is the second coat of glitter that I'm going to add on to this Crown Royal bottle. Once this dries, I'll be able to go ahead and seal this. So this is something that you can do that doesn't take very long at all. And also, I just realized this is my first time glittering a shorty bottle. I usually do rhinestones or rhinestones and pearls. So imagine how quick this is, because the big wine bottle doesn't take long at all. Just allow it some time to dry, then you can seal with either Mod Podge, but I like to use a product called Tri-Art Liquid Glass. Okay, this is the product Tri-Art Liquid Glass. I bought it the first time on Amazon, and it's like it says that it has a resin finish. It's not a resin. You don't have to mix it with anything, and it doesn't really have a smell to it, but in my opinion, it doesn't cloud out the glitter like Mod Podge does. You can use Mod Podge, it still seals it really good, but to me, I felt like it made my glitter look a little foggy. So the reason why I pour it on is because it has like a runny consistency. So it's better for me to just pour it on and it's already like running across the bottle. I just take my brush and I just glide it across. I let mine dry for, the bottles dry for about 20 to 30 minutes in front of a fan so it can dry even faster. And there's like no flaking, the glitter doesn't fall off, so it's a great way to seal. Now you always want to seal your glitter because you don't want it falling off, making a big mess. Now the way this bottle is made, it's like a little indent around the label. So really quickly, I decided to add just a few rhinestones just to outline the label. I think it made it really pop and just look a little bit better. And this is just some 5mm clear rhinestones. I used some E6000 glue and it didn't take long at all. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of this Carlo Rossi wine bottle and the little shorty bottle, which is Crown Royal. I love this red glitter. It's actually one of my favorites. And if I was running low on glitter, this red glitter would be the one that I use for one coat, because for some reason this red has a very, very full coverage. But I still use 2 coats. Like I said, when I use fine glitter, the only one I use 1 coat for is the chunky glitter. Now these come out really, really pretty, and this is a great gift to do for someone if you're short on time. Like I've done these the same day, like before leaving the house for someone before. Also, look how cute this little shorty bottle is. That makes a really cute stocking stuffer. Or you can give these out as party favors for your adult parties. Or I noticed that there's these little parties trending where people do rainbow parties and everyone shows up with a certain color snack or drink. This would be a really cute way to match your snacks with your color theme that you're supposed to do. So keep that in mind as well. But you guys, I hope that you did find this video helpful or got some cute ideas from it. Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Share it on Facebook or with someone who'd be interested in something like this. And thanks again, you guys, for watching. And also, today, I just recently hit 18,000 subscribers, which is so remarkable. I'm so grateful. So hello to all my new subscribers. Hello to all of my subscribers. And thank you for your support, your positive comments, sharing my videos, watching my channel. So I'm on the road to 20,000 subscribers. Okay, you guys, thanks again. Bye-bye. And we do carry faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired croc charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10 off. Check out our website, crtacticaldefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount for my subscribers.